What's up, guys? It's Brian SLC Farms. So heading out to the hoop barn. Got to jump in the Kubota. We cut about 20 acres of hay on Sunday. Today is Wednesday. Just got back from Maryland last night. Hopped in the truck at 2 a.m. yesterday. Drove to Maryland, picked up some equipment. Back about 18 hours ish, 19 hours round trip. But woke up this morning to seeing that the weather forecast has changed for us. We were actually planning on setting up the baler and all that tomorrow, Thursday. Now they have a 50% chance of rain, overcast skies in the morning. So walking up to the hoop barn, we're gonna hop in the Kubota. We're gonna flip this hay real quick. I ain't gonna record much of it, but we're gonna go flip this hay real quick. Then we gotta come back. We're gonna get started. Country gal's gonna come out and take over in a minute. Gotta come back, unhook the bat wing from the Massey, get the new baler hooked up, monitor installed. So we're gonna get moving. We'll see y'all in the field here in just a bit. Uh-oh. Let's see here. Can't be getting copyright strikes even though YouTube demonetized me. We'll get back. YouTube demonetized me because I took a break from y'all, and so they're punishing me. But I ain't doing this for YouTube or money. I'm doing it for me and all y'all that like to follow along. So hopefully we got a good picture, good sound. Trying to up my game here a little bit, guys. Got us a new DJI Action 3. Got us some microphones. So we're running 2 cameras. Got a little time lapse going right there. Don't know what kind of footage we're going to put in here. We got the tedder. We're headed up the hill. Pretty good hill. The little Kubota does not like it right off the bat. But see y'all when we get to the field. Alright guys, real quick. Camera was on the wrong setting. You can see the tedder wouldn't unfold. I actually had something jam up and busted a U-joint right then. Just my luck. So we go up the road real quick, borrow the neighbor's tedder. And here in just a second, we're going to be headed back up the road with the neighbor's tedder. So now we got another thing to fix. Alright guys, we got the neighbor's tedder hitched up. We're headed back to the field. We're going to get it unfolded, get it set up, and then country gal's going to come take over. Thank goodness for good neighbors. Like I say, we'll get us a part ordered and get her back. I'm not really sure what happened there on the unfold. Not sure what got jammed up or not, but we'll see about getting it fixed. Hopefully there's not a bigger underlying issue. But hopefully it's just put the U-joint back together and be good to go. But we're almost to the field now, so see y'all in a second. Alright guys, we got the neighbor's tedder. We're out giving this hay a little flip if I don't. There we go. Got a real tight corner right there. Anyways, we're getting this field started. Country gal will be here shortly. She's gonna take over, and then we're gonna go get the Massey all set up, ready to go. This ain't gonna be the greatest video on the face of the earth. Might turn out to be the greatest video on the face of the earth, but we got the little 4 basket. It's gonna take just a little longer. With that peckway, this 6 acres here took about an hour and 40 minutes to do this 20 acres with a Pakia, however you want to say it, whatever. Anyways, so I'm getting on with it. Got the glasses on today. I got some new ones coming. Turns out vision as you get older gets worse sometimes. I've had these for a while, didn't really need them too much. They help more with distance. It just kind of puts everything into HD. But I've never really liked these glasses. They're just not comfortable. So I went to the old Costco, got a new eye exam, 20/50 in both eyes. I'm sure y'all want to know that. But our new glasses are here. Well, now we just got to find time to go pick them up. It's about an hour drive to our closest Costco. Maybe a little over an hour and 10 minutes. But we're flipping it. The hay looks beautiful. Hopefully by about 3 o'clock we'll be able to start baling. Not even sure what time it is. Let's see here, y'all. It be 11:51. We should have been out here a lot earlier. But like I said earlier in the video, went to Maryland last night. Did 19 hours in the truck yesterday, plus loading time of the machinery we went and picked up, and then stopping for food and restrooms and all that good stuff. So we were gone a good 20 hours, just straight in the old 450 there. But we're gonna get this flipped, get it baled, because tomorrow does not look good. We were supposed to bale it tomorrow. Thanks, I like being in a rush. Might have to leave the edges where it's shady so much, but we're gonna get the majority of it baled, right, wrong, or indifferent, because it's calling for thunderstorms the next 4 days, and you know, it might completely miss us, not do nothing tomorrow, but if it's overcast and humid, the hay won't bale. Right now we got sunshine and blue skies, and the hay is real close. It was cut Sunday, so it's had a couple of days in some mid 80 degree weather. Today is going to be another mid 80s, so hopefully we'll get it dried down as best we can, and then we'll go from there. So see y'all in a little while. Alright, back on the original Osmo. We're going to see how the footage compares between the Osmo Action and Osmo 3. Country gal has arrived. She's about to take off with the old tedder here. So she's going to get the hay flipped. It's looking real good. I think it's going to go. I wish we had the preservative kit on the new baler already, but again, I think the hay's going to go today. So she's got a good 20 acres ahead of her, and she's going to get her tedded out. Alright, we're in the whip, headed back to the farm. We're just a hop, skip, and a jump, right at a mile, less than a mile from the farm. So we're gonna go grab the Massey. We are gonna find a jack for the bush hog off of another piece of equipment. We're gonna try to steal one, and then get the bat wing dropped, get the new baler hooked up, get some net wrap in it, monitor, get it turned on, make sure we're good to go with it, and go from there. Alright, we got back to the farm. We loaded up some hay for a delivery. My son Chris is going to take it, so I don't have too late tonight, and I can get my hay out of the field once we get it baled. But we're walking up to the hoop barn and going to get this bush hog gun fixed. I gotta get my backpack off, and then I've got to find a jack. My bush hog, my $400 bush hog, didn't come with a jack, and so I got to get him one, or get it one. All right, Chris was wanting to know if he should take the dogs with him or not, and I said sure. But I think what I'm going to have to do is find a jack over here behind all these wrap bales that I still haven't got stacked up yet. I was supposed to borrow the squeeze today, stack those while hay was drying, but plans changed. Now we're in a mad rush again to get this hay we've got up. So I think what I might can do is take the skid steer and slip back here and maybe grab that jack there, or who knows, where do we got a jack? There goes another round bale delivery to one of our equestrian centers. Yeah, that looks like if I want a jack, the only one I'm going to get, that or I got to use a bottle jack or something, because I need all these jacks. We're going to buy one. Just hadn't done it yet. Baby steps, baby steps. If I need some good tires, hit me up. They are radials, Goodyears. 18.426s. Yep, no jack. So let me go see if I can locate something to put on here and get this batwing mower unhooked somewhere or another. Alright, I think what I've decided to do is to try to just block it up with some wood blocks. So we're going to see if that'll work. Get this thing raised up here. And get it backed out and get it where we're going. So, I've got to get me a magnet for this here camera. I bought a case for it that, of course, doesn't fit. And that's one thing I said yesterday. I'm going to work on not saying so much. I say a whole lot. And it annoys me when I watch myself back. But we are going to give this a whirl on putting it on blocks. I just know hooking it up, you sometimes have to use two machines if it doesn't work right. So we're going to find out. I am pretty interested to see if I can see the difference in this new Osmo Action in this video, Action 3 with the microphone versus our other one. We've got both going. Like I said, I need a magnet for this one. I don't have a way to like stick y'all in something. So, anywho, let's see here what we can do with this thing. I'm hoping I won't come up in the camera like the old, hear the old huffing and puffing like crazy. So we're gonna flip this little doodad here up, and then I got some blocks. Yeah, let's go with this one. And what I'm hoping for is that I can block up, maybe like right under here, and then when I let the bush hog down, it'll hold the tongue up. That's my thought process. So, You know how thought processes go. Let's see here. Sorry about the moving y'all around so dang much, but all right. There's my janky block set up. Let's see here. Try to stick you on the dirt or something. Stand up, camera. Look at that. Let's see how this goes. Hitch pin came out, good deal. Let's see here. Grease all over my hand. Definitely need a jack to hang the shaft on. Definitely. Oh. Damn grease. Always. Use the old rag pants. Alright. Would you look at that? Just look at it. All right. Pin. Yeah, we're just going to sit it there. Not sure if it's going to pull out or not, but we'll see. Might jerk the whole thing off. Still at a little bit of a crooked angle. Oh, look at there. Kinda, sorta. Good enough. Oh. Yeah, I don't like this PTO shaft laying on the ground. That'll work enough. It'll probably still be a royal pain to hook up. Now, let's stop that. And then, look here, this is what we do for y'all. Now, we gotta find somewhere else to put y'all for maybe a different perspective here. Look at that, see? Different spot. Now we're going to hook the new cloths to the Massey. Sweating. It's hot, guys. Actually wearing shorts today. We got to put the monitor in. We don't have the preservative kit still, but It'll be here soon enough. Oh, all right. Let's see here if we can't back up to the old Massey. Back the old Massey up to the Kloss. Alright, let's see if we can hit the hole on the first try. Let's see. I don't even know if y'all will be able to see it or not. But we're going to hold it that way, so maybe you can. I don't think I'm looking good. Nope. Doesn't count because we didn't touch. Oh, come on, tractor, turn tighter. I'm in a hole. Oh. Well, damn, we gotta lower the baler down. I guess let's hop out and do that. Pretty sure that I put it in here with the little Kubota. So it must sit a little taller than the Massey on the hitch. But the Kubota has a straight hitch and the Massey has the drop hitch here. Think that'll work. Try again. Oh. Glad I got two cameras going in case this is some really crappy footage. Oh, crapola. Maybe there. Probably off a little bit. Oh. This here baler's got gotta have three sets of remotes to run it. Oh, what do we got? Oh, we look pretty close. Let's see here. Can it go? Oh, there we go. And I dropped the hitch pin. I used to just run a regular hitch pin. Like we just took out of the bush hog. This baler came with a factory hitch pin and it won't catch the hay like the other one did. So, all right, I'm gonna get all the lines hitched up. Y'all are still on the other camera. I wish I could sit y'all somewhere. Maybe I can. Hold on. Stay. Very new. Hold on. Alright, maybe I'll stay there. I really got to put a magnet on that. I'm going to look in my bag and see if I've got one. I think that I do. Stiff. So we're going to have tailgate on the first cylinder, the first remote, and we're going to have, no, I'm going to put the tailgate on the second remote. Come on, baby. There it goes. And the pickup head on the first remote. And then this one is the drop floor. All right. Made it that far. Let's get the jack up. Okay. Next, we gotta open this up. Klaus, you gotta have a special wrench, or do you? So, this little spring, hold on. What happened? There we go, there y'all are. This little spring doodad right here, just push that in with your hand and it'll unlock it. So we got our box up here with all of our baler goodies. Looks familiar. Might put my monitor on here eventually, as this one somehow didn't get cared for in the box. And ain't on there all the way. Let's fix that. There it goes. All right. Sorry. Let me get this tightened on as it should be. And this goes back here, like so. These cords out of the way here. Sorry, putting cords out of the way on the side. Monitor in. Now we got to put our wiring on. To be honest, no need to let the tractor just sit here and run. At this point, we're all hitched up and don't have to move. In our box of goodies. Let's see here. We got a wiring harness. All right. Let me wedge y'all in somewhere. Maybe. Oh, come on, stand with me, camera. Does not want to work with me, guys. Hold on. Fixing camera stability problem now. Magnet. See if this will screw into the bottom of this holder here. Like I say, I had bought, when I ordered this camera, one of my holders just like this. Got it made up in the bag there. In fact, hold on. I know this is off subject, but a lot of people ask about camera equipment, so I bought this whole dealio to make another one, metal case and all, for the new camera that we're on. Unfortunately, that case will not fit it, even though it says it's for the action camera. It must be for the old style here, like that one. But I had a magnet on it, so stole it off the bottom for now. And y'all are just keep going unprotected. I don't like having my children unprotected, but either way, now we got a magnet. And now, look there. We can do like that. Look at that. Now, I ain't got to hold y'all. Ain't got to hold your hand. So, what we have here is a lot of wiring. But what I'm able to do, I have to unclip these little hydraulic stoppers. Got these little hydraulic stoppers here for the bush hog the other night at Tractor Supply. Alright, so this needs to go in the cab, but I'm not sure that it's going to fit through that hole. So, I reckon we're going to take the old pocket knife and make us a new connection here. Spin you a little bit. There's some areas to cut out to get the wires through, so we're going to go with this middle one here. Look at this. Just going to cut it right out. Might try to leave a flap there. I still doubt this is going to poke through that hole. Huh. Needs to be bigger. I don't want to make it bigger, but I guess we're going to have to. Nothing like cutting up your $100,000 tractor with a pocket knife, you know? But our grommet in the back for this is already full. Now, I think I'm actually going to have to put a slit so we can get that in like that. That's what I should have just done to begin with. But I didn't. Oh, come on, you. Let's try it this way. There we go. Look at that. Looks factory. That looks factory. Like, y'all can't even tell I did that right there. Cut a little slit, put it in there. Oh no, the plug ain't long enough. That ain't gonna work that way. Shoot, guys. I just can't win for losing on projects. I thought that was gonna look good in factory like that. We'll just have to pull the wire through though. And hook it up like that. Alright, so there's our bale monitor hooked up. Now we got to power the whole operation. That there is this unit here. It sends our powers. And that plugs in like so, just like your trailer hitch wiring. And then we got to have this. Uh-oh. For the camera. It's probably meant for the actual baler itself. Needs its wire. And I just run it right in with these. Oh. Alright. There I am. And the baler wire hooks up. Yep. There it goes. And locks in like so. Now, we've got our trailer lights plug to put in as well. This. So I was saying about it. Got to get the baler set up. It doesn't have everything hooked up. They got it pre-set up at the dealer, and they would be out here today, but I did not feel they needed to come. I've already run several of these balers, and I think we'll be a-okay without them. Let's see here. I wouldn't mind zip tying this up. What do I do with my pocket knife? I just had it. There it is, right behind y'all. See if we can salvage this zip tie here. Yeah, look at that. And then that is going to hook right into there, like a so. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to run this zip tie here. I want to put one more coil in it. I think so. Don't need it too long. We're just going to do like that right there with those. And all in all, that can come up here. Now I'll have to get another zip tie, I reckon. Well, that's going to go like that right there. I like to take as much slack as I can out of that wiring harness there and get it tucked in good. That's an expensive piece. Oh, look at that. They give us some talc. There's a starter roll of net in there. So now we're going to pull over to the other barn and grab us our net wrap and put it in. Alright, we'll see y'all at the other barn. Alright. Let's power this monitor on here. Turn that on. Need the crop saver app, seeing as how we can't put crop saver in. Alright. We have got to go through the monitor here and make sure that everything is set up right. Alright.
Hey, dry hay. You want a 56-inch pair? You want a cord? Yeah. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm setting up the monitor here for the baler for how I want it baled. Let's see here, how many? Alright, the one, no bales. Nose down.
Right there. Okay, let's go get to the other barn real quick. We're gonna get it opened up in there. And see, there I go again. There's that But we're gonna get it to the other barn, get our net wrap put in there. Because I'm not sure how long that little starter roll of net wrap will last. Also got to make sure that all our stuff is working right. And all that good stuff. Oh, that's drop floor down. Okay. Knives down. Drop floor down. Very nice. I'll have to check that out. Okay, that's the drop floor button. For when it's clogged. Alright, now we gotta jump out, adjust our pickup. Let's see if this flips y'all around like it's supposed to. I think it did. I don't know. I'm gonna stop it just in case. Alright, we're all parked up. I parked on the wrong side. Now I'm gonna have to carry that heavy stinking net wrap to the other side. Our oiler is full of oil. We've got to adjust these chains right here. So they'll go something like that. Okie doke. Alright, we don't need the rest of this stuff. It's just the baler mount, the electrical plug for the tractor, which I already had. Put this in there, but I never had to use this stuff on the other one. Well, I say I never had to use it. When I first got the baler, I had to use it with cloth net wrap, with deer net wrap. There were 3 or 4 I tried. But the Swanson's Ag Wrap seems to not need any baby powder. Not really ever had a problem. So let me stick y'all somewhere, and we're going to carry this net wrap and get it. Yeah, y'all ain't going to be able to see me disappear to the other side, but oh well. should have done was set up both cameras, but maybe what I could do is just something like yeah, that good enough. Be interested to see how well this mic picks up all my gibbering. I need to put one of these on the scale, see what they actually weigh. I know they're not light, that's for sure. Nope. Like I had it. There's usually a little cloth strap that goes right here, but I didn't see it. These net wrap bales come with a handle strap. Look at that. All right, 2 fresh rolls of net wrap. I think we're ready to open the tailgate on this thing. Check it out. Don't need check this bad boy out. Oh, looks like I might have to swap batteries here in a minute. Y'all might go dead. So the hydraulic floor is currently down. You can see it's opened up down there. And that's pretty nifty. Got your knives, that whole floor drops. And then somewhere on this baler, wonder where Klaus puts theirs. There's a moisture kit somewhere. Not sure. It's part of the tailgate latch. Not sure where they put their moisture readers at, unless that's, I don't think that's part of the knives there. I'm not sure where that's at. Gotta adjust this chain as well. Let's go in and lower the pickup head. So, here. Yep. Pickup head's down. Okay, floor is up. Pretty neat. The drop floor just went up. I think we're ready to bail. We're going to turn it on. Yeah. Close the tailgate. Tailgate's working with the right PSI. Sounds good. Nice and quiet. I think it's all ready to go. So I guess we'll see you guys in the field in a little bit. I'm gonna go check on Country Gal.